These are the elevators at the mall at Millenia in Orlando, Florida. Panels on this side. Let's go up to 2. Echo buttons. We are at 2. Let's go back down to 1. $6,000 capacity. Let's go back up to 2. Let's send this one down to 1 and ride the other car, which happens to be right here. Let's go to 2. What do you know? The other elevator car is right there. It was riding right alongside us. We're gonna get out here. I'm just gonna ride the other one back down since someone got on. But this time, let's look out the side.